For those of you who are having problems with the business management presentation, here it is. Management is usually broken up into 4 areas in the figure below. Click on each one to learn more. We'll start with leading. Leading refers to the management of the company. With large corporations where there are thousands of managers, the focus is on the top layer. These managers must communicate and motivate the organization to achieve its objectives. Organizing. Creating a structure with which to achieve company goals forms the core of organizing. It includes corralling human capital, people, to achieve its goals by defining jobs, recruiting, and assisting people to do them. It also involves providing ongoing training and development so that employees can achieve future goals of the company. Controlling. An axiom in business is that the business is only as good as what it measures. The process of measuring performance, comparing results to objectives, and taking action to correct or improve is the last function of management. Planning. Setting strategic direction, long range, and determining actions or programs to achieve the objectives. Planning will include defining the mission of the company, its goals, and coming up with specific programs to achieve its goals. It is up to the management of the company to determine a long-term perspective that will sustain the company. Below the business management presentation is the business management activity, where you need to take the 4 types of management and put them with their definition. I will let you pause the video and you can look up those answers to put the 2 and 2 together.